What comes up first before you begin to type any HTML document is the doc type. So before the opening HTML tag, we're going to have a doc type declaration there. So I'll just type here, I'll type, let me collapse the file tree, and I'll type this doc type, click on it, and this tells the browser that the document or the web page is an HTML document. So it's good to put that on top of your HTML document. Now, one other thing you can do is to specify the language of the document. So in the opening HTML tag, type lang, I'll click on this and then enter the language we are using for this site. So it's English, I'll type EN for English. Now after that, you want to enter a number of metadata. Like I said before, in the head element, the items in the head element are not seen by the users of the website. Now, we want to enter some important data. We will then enter that in the meta tag. So just type meta and press the tab key on your keyboard. The meta tag is a self-closing tag. It does not have a closing tag. Now, what you want to do first of all is to make the characters, is to encode the characters of your website properly. And to do that, we use the char sets, then in quotes, we'll say UTF-8. Now, this helps to encode your character properly, just for it, for everything to be well set. Now, so this will not be seen by the user of the website. Now, another metadata or important data you want to enter in your website in the head tag is the author of the website. So meta, press tab key, and right here we're going to enter the name. The name will be the author, and to give the name of the author, we'll enter that in the content attribute. So content. So for the content, you want to write the name of the author. My name is Adam Shitu. I'll put that there, Adam Shitu. So I'm the author of this website. So this is one important data you want to put in the head, though this will not be seen by the user of the website. Another important data is the description of the website. So meta again, press tab key, and before the closing bracket there, we're going to type a name again. Now this time around, I want to type a description for the website, description, and in the content attribute, I'm going to type something about the website. So let's just type something, learning HTML. So the content could be longer than this. It describes the content of the website. So these are all metadata that won't be seen by the user. One thing also that you can add is the logo of the site, and you can do that by using the link tag. So press link. Now this one that says favicon is what you want to use. Click on favicon. Href stands for hypertext reference. So to get the logo, I've created a fav.png logo. I've entered it in this folder, and it's found if you click on the file tree button here, you see the logo here. So any image at all could be used just to practice. So let's go back to the index.html page, and I've referenced that image right here in the href attribute. I'll go to file and click on save all. Let's save all. Now let's preview this website. Go live. Click on go live at the bottom here, and a preview of your website will be shown to you. The only change we see on the website now is the logo of the site up there in front of my first website. Now, one other thing you can do is to place your styles, your style decorations in a different file. So what you can do is to cut this entire CSS decorations and paste them in a different style sheet. Now to create that file, you right click and click on file and type style.css. So press enter, and I'll paste the style declarations there. I'll save. The file is placed outside of the lesson 1 folder. I want to take it into the lesson 1 folder, so I'll just drag it in like this. Click on move. Now I want to link this style sheet and the index.html document. So to do that, I need to remove these style tags. Now under there, I'll type link. Now press tab key. Now I want to link the CSS file to the index file, so I'll just type CSS right there as the attribute, as the href reference to style. So it brings up the CSS file. I'll click on it and I'll save. So I've linked the CSS file to the HTML file. So when I click and I open with live server, I'll still get the same thing. It's best to link your CSS file from a different style sheet.